Before we get going, I would just like to extend an apology to the entire Japanese-speaking world. I have a hard time even pronouncing the word pronunciation. Is it still Tuesday? This week on Cool Tool Tuesday, we're going to talk about Razor Saw's Yanipika. I think I went to that summer camp when I was a kid, actually. Their blade cleaner, which, you know, if you need to know how to use it, it's conveniently all written out in the back of the bottle. Just kidding, it's in Japanese. I can't read anything on here except Razor Saw and 9200. But this is very useful for cleaning all of your blades and shears and saws and whatnot. One of the things I especially like it for is things like files and router bits, things that are really kind of a pain in the backside to clean. I would like to tell you a little bit more about it, but unfortunately I can't. I don't read Japanese. So let's just get right to it. Let me just show you how it works. As you can see, it works really well. It does exactly what it says it does on the bottle, I think. It works really well on your timber resins that might be on your saw blades and whatnot, or on your Forstner bits, or your router bits, or your saw blades, right? But it doesn't really do too much for rust. But again, as it says on the bottle, it isn't really designed to deal with rust. We think. We don't know what this bottle says. I think I've tortured that joke to death. For more information, click the links down below. Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe and all that fun stuff. Come into the store. www.timbukon.com.au is the website if you want even more information. And I will remain Phil Shinvine, and I will see you when I see you.